Hello guys, so we're going to create this X looking logo. Okay, let's start from the beginning. Get the polygon tool, click once on 6 sides, okay. Then rotate it, holding shift, enlarge it, and increase the stroke till about 40, remove the fill, and align it in the middle. Maybe enlarge it a little bit, then align it again, and raise it a little bit up. Okay, so go to Object, Expand, okay, and click, hold Alt and copy once, and copy twice. Okay, then select all, get the Shape Builder tool, and hold Alt and remove the excess. Okay, now we have the shape. Then go to Pathfinder and click on Divide. Then get the Direct Selection tool and click 1, 2, 3, and then Unite. 1, 1, Shift 2, 3, Unite. So now we just have to color. Click this one and give it a gradient and give a direction to the gradient color. And this one as well, and then go to the gradient icon and give it a direction. Then click the third one, direction. Then the last one, give it a gradient and fix the direction. And we're done.